My name is Karima Westbrook, and I'm originally from Chicago, Illinois, and I play Agent Jasmine Jackson. But him and Elliot got into it 2 years ago on Wax, and he was a part of MB's crew at one time.
And
the LAPD has witnesses who put him in the vicinity of the crime. Well, I met Corey earlier this year. He came to a fundraiser that I had, and at my fundraiser I had like my demo reels out, you know, just trying to promote my work, and he took one of the demo reels and he saw it, and we kept in contact, and he called me up one day and he told me that he told me that he had this project coming up and he wanted me to read it. I read it, and then he called me in for an audition, and then they hired me. Well, you guys better move fast. Word on the street, tension is high. I heard Elliot's crew plan on retaliating. Basically, she's in a situation where she's basically working in a man's world. She's surrounded by these men, you know, as far as being an FBI agent, and so she's always trying to prove herself as being capable of getting the job done.
Very phenomenal actress. On this project, she's the most known actress. She's had a variety of different roles she's played, big films that she's doing, and she's going to be a very, very big star in the city.
Jones, a gangster rapper, was gunned down on the streets of LA in what many claim to be an all-out rap war.
The murder was the last in a string of things that seemed to hover around Reality Records.
I'm just trying to stop another murder.
Khalil Jones, Michael Bryson.
okay, I have witnesses to put Puffy and Prince in the vicinity of the time of the crime. You want me to go get them too? That's what you want?
This is Special Agent Jasmine Jackson from the Miami Division.
Word on the street, tension is high.
Who killed Elliot Jones?
I didn't see.
You was sitting right there when the man was shot point blank range. You gonna tell me you ain't see nothing?
Look, I'm not asking you to snitch.
Yo, I didn't see nothing, dude, and I'm not doing your job for you.
Yeah, in this game has seen 2 rappers dead.
Where we from? We ain't got no choice but to keep it real.
Everybody knows that Elliot had beef with a lot of crews, so it can be any number of people. Do you know who killed Elliot Jones?
Well, my brother wasn't a gangster.
Let's face it, Elliot, beef sells. Gangster images sell.
Millions of dollars will be made.
So you want me to be some studio gangster?
Every time you portray this character, you're losing a part of who you are.
4 days before he dies, they pre-ordered 1.5 million copies. Now what happens anytime a rapper dies?
It's gonna be Biggie and Pac all over again. I can see it.